Happy Monday, Miss Alicia.
Happy Monday. How was your Monday?
It was really good. My friends had a lot of fun today.
We did. It was so quick, but they were so excited because of what we're learning this week.
We're learning about something really exciting, and I think that because it snowed today, it's a really good week to learn about the solar system.
It is. We are learning about the solar system and space.
In space.
We love it. Our room loves space.
So do you recognize this guy right here?
He's a cat with a hat.
He's the cat in the hat. And here's thing 1 and thing 2, his little buddies that follow him around. So we are going to go to space with the cat in the hat today.
Oh, I love it.
This book is called There's No Place Like Space. And Miss Alicia, I am going to skip around in this book a little bit. So I'm not going to read every word because there's a lot of information about space that we're not really ready for yet.
That is okay.
I'm the cat in the hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun.
Ooh, those are 3 things we can find in space. But how are we going to get to space?
There's no place like space. I'll prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do.
How are we getting there, friends?
Jump in. What are we jumping into?
It kind of looks like a rocket.
It is. It's a rocket or a spaceship. We'll fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. So we know we're going all the way to where the moon is. So that tells us where space is.
Yeah. So, where the moon is the space. In space, there's the moon. We talked about the sun and the stars and other planets.
We'll swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see the planets in our solar system. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. So everything in our solar system goes around the sun in a circle, like this.
So the sun is at the center of our circle, right in the middle.
Mercury is close to the burning light. It's hot in the daytime and freezing at night.
Ooh, so that's the first planet, Mercury.
The planet closest to the sun. On Venus, the weather is always the same. It's hot, dry, and windy, with no chance of rain. What's the next planet? It's the one that we live on. I wonder if you've ever heard of this planet before.
So we have Mercury and Venus. Our third planet is Earth.
We spin all the time, and it turns once every day. It'll never stop. But we don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way because we're spinning right with it right now every day. So we're sitting on the Earth, and the Earth is spinning with us on it. So we don't even know we're spinning.
My goodness.
We don't even get dizzy.
Wow.
Next, there's Mars. The color of rust, or like a brownish red color. We sneeze here because it's covered with dust.
So we have 4 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and number 5 is
travel to Jupiter. And you will find it's bigger than all the other planets combined. So you could fit every planet into Jupiter.
It is. And one thing really cool about Jupiter is it has a little red spot on it.
It's a storm.
Yeah.
There's a storm on Jupiter. We have one with rings.
Ooh, this one is my favorite.
Saturn has rings. It's so light. Who would think it could float in an ocean and not even sink?
Wow.
So this would float like a ball in a pool.
Yeah. So this is our 6th planet, Saturn. Number 7 is
Uranus. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of objects around it.
So they are also, sometimes they call them satellites or they're moons.
Yeah, some planets have moons, and Uranus has a lot of moons, like 60-some moons. There are colors in space, and I'll show some to you. Neptune, planet 8, is a beautiful blue. You know, the planets are really fun to make a craft with and to color all in order. We have seen all the planets, and now here's a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. So let's just say our planets in order, right?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Whew,
Wow.
That's a lot of planets.
And we all go around the sun.
All right, so the rest of our book talks a little bit about a lot of things, but we're not going to go that deep into everything.
So one thing we know, some things we know about space. We have the sun as our center. Around what goes around them are our planets. We have 8 planets. All right, so we have the sun, 8 planets, and they all have different names. We won't go over them. We just did.
Yeah, we just did.
And also Earth, we have a moon. Just kind of Uranus has a lot of moons.
Yeah.
Just some facts we knew.
All right.
I cannot wait, friends, to learn more about space with you. And also to figure out how we get there.
Yeah. So maybe you and your big person can find a planet song to sing together to learn about the planets.
Yes. If you go to Big People, go to the Cuco Lake Facebook page and are a member of that, Miss Chris has been posting a lot of great music to that, and it has different songs, and our students really love
it.
the planet song. They are singing that all the time. We listen to it 2 or 3 times a day. So,
all right. So have fun.
Yep.
We will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.